KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
Wires and expensive proprietary systems have become a thing of the past. So too can your frustrations. Simple is now possible. KDPlay makes presenting and collaborating easier than ever. Getting together with your colleagues can be spontaneous and effortless on any screen in your office, conference room, classroom, lecture hall, or event space. KDPlay even allows you to maintain social distancing through touch-free technology. Bring your own device and effectively present from any PC, Mac, iOS, or Android without connecting any cables. Brainstorm ideas in KDPlay's multi-presenter mode, with up to 4 presenters sharing the screen simultaneously. Connect KDPlay to a touchscreen monitor to notate, design, save, and distribute your teamwork. With KDPlay Flash, users can auto-launch to the KDPlay screen without any software installation. The KDPlay system comes to you from HDTV pioneer and the father of DVD, Mike Sinberg. His team of award-winning engineers assembled KDPlay to deliver the perfect combination of AV and IT connectivity for secure and easy integration with your network. Increase efficiency and ease of collaboration. Empower employees. Elevate satisfaction. All with KDPlay.
KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.